Hey, what's up guys? I do hope you're having a great day. In today's video we are going to be continuing to work on the F150. Long story short, in the next couple of weeks I'm going to be needing to use the pickup truck on a daily basis again. So I started up, did some maintenance on it, and it turns out it has some type of idling issue. I think I have mentioned it before in the past. I've tried cleaning the air intake and all that. It did work for a bit, but then it's starting up again. So I did some research online on the forums and all that, and a lot of places say to try cleaning out the throttle body, because these pickup trucks are pretty old too, so there's probably some buildup in there, if not a lot, since I've owned the truck for probably 4 years now, 4 or 5 years I think. I can't remember. From my ownership I haven't cleaned it, and the owners before I'm pretty sure didn't clean it, so I don't know if that is the issue, but I know that there's the buildup in there. And there are more videos coming up on the bike as well soon. I have pretty much ordered a couple more things for the motovlog setup. So as you guys can see, I have the engine bay opened up. All I had to do was unbolt these to get the intake tube open from this side, unbolt these to get the intake tube open from this side. On the throttle body, I have to remove that, and there's a small shroud as well. Remove that and you can get to it. Now from what I can see, there does seem to be some buildup in there. Can't really tell with the camera, but there does seem to be a lot of the buildup in there, so we're gonna clean that out. All you really need is throttle body cleaner, microfiber, and just spray it in there and clean it out. So that's what we'll do right now. Alright, so I pretty much cleaned up as much as I could reach with my hand. It looks much better than before, much more cleaner. All this buildup was on there, so I guess it hadn't been cleaned for a couple of years. The way that I had it propped up was using a screwdriver to hold open the throttle body cable over here, so I could keep that open, separate some inside, clean it up. Now I did read online that after cleaning up I should keep this open, let it air out for about the half hour with the exhaust when I turn on, so there's no issues when I turn on the truck. So I'm gonna keep it open for half an hour, then put it all back together and start up the truck and see how it goes. Be right back. Alright, it's about half an hour later. It's all bolted up. Let's turn on the truck and see how it sounds. Alright, let's get inside with this bit less noise. Alright, so the idle seems to be better now. Like, as you guys heard from when it started up, it wasn't that great. I gave it a bit of gas, and now it seems to be stable at about 1200 RPM. There. That's the issue. The issue's not fixed yet. In park, let's see if it turns off. So it's still idling a bit rough. I'm gonna give it a week and see how it goes. May or may not have fixed the issue. From what I can tell right now, it probably didn't, but at least we know that we cleaned out the throttle body and there's no buildup over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it about a week and see how it goes. In this video, you pretty much showed you guys how to clean the throttle body on your vehicle. The process is pretty similar to most vehicles, so have a look underneath your hood. I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. If not, find another video. But if you're looking for how to clean it for a 10th gen V6 F150, here's your video. So I'm gonna end it here. I know it's a bit short. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this did help you guys out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end it on. So I'm going to end it here before I start rambling on. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.